How to turn off memory integrity on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you turn off the memory integrity on Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Windows Security. So for that you can easily search in the search bar at the bottom for Windows Security. Alright, after you search it, click on open. Alright, now you are on the Windows Security. You'll have to click on Device Security. Okay, from your click on Core Isolation Details, and from here you'll have to just check off the options like Memory Integrity. So from here, click on the option here, and after you click here, you'll have to just click on the S options to allow this app to make changes on your device. And after you confirm it, you'll have to just restart your laptop or PC to make the changes on your PC or laptop. And after you complete a restart, the memory integrity has been disabled from your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.